So this is how us on Team BCUZ we timed our goal rushes. So the first thing we're looking for is we're looking for slow-mo video helps greatly with this. So we know the slow-mo factor, which is very important. We know the slow-mo factor on this is 8 to 1. So we know that any count of frames, it's shooting 240 frames per second. So we need to factor that into our frame count. So we're looking for the first frame of motion, which in this recording, why is it not? So in this recording, it's when that piston fires over here for the brake lock. And if you wanted to have accurate timings, but you don't have a piston that immediately moves, I would suggest mounting an LED somewhere like here that's highly visible, and time using that flickering on or off. And so anyways, we have this firing, the first frame that I can detect that moving, that's the first frame I'm counting because that's the first frame that the program is running essentially. And so then I'm just straight counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. And eventually, I'll spare you the counting, we will get all the way to the goal. And what's important about the goal is you want to make sure you have it where you establish possession. If you're grabbing the pole, that's when your pole grab is locked on. If you're going over the entire bowl, that means it's when your goal cover is over. But in our case, it's just for us contacting the bowl. So whenever we see this goal tilt, that means we've established possession of, or virtually established possession of this goal. And so I'd count frames from start to finish, and well, that's a little beyond finish, but start to contact, and then we would divide that by 8 to get our real-time time.